Hello, hello, hello. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Welcome po sa ating channel. At bago tayo magpatuloy, pakihingi ng isang like and subscribe. At huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Okay, so our topic is about solving problem involving rates. Okay, so example number 1 agad tayo. Okay, so example number 1, Alea can jog 6 kilometers in 2 hours. At this rate, how many kilometers can Alea jog in 5 hours? Okay, so first, ito si Alea can jog 6 kilometers in 2 hours. So, ang gagawin natin dito, i-reduce muna natin yan into lowest term. Okay, so 6 divided by 2, that is equal to 3, or pwede mo i-divide sila by 2. Okay, divide mo yan by 2, divide mo yan by 2, that is 3 over 1, di ba? Or equals 3. 3 kilometers per hour. Okay, tapos, ang question dito, at this rate, how many kilometers can Alea jog in 5 hours? Ibig sabihin, i-multiply na lang natin yan by 5 hours. Okay? Diyan i-cancel natin yung hour kasi ang hinihingi dito or yung tinatanong ay ilang kilometers. So, therefore, i-multiply natin yan 3 times 5, that is 15 kilometers. Okay? So, next example, madali lang yung topic natin. Jim can write 10 pages of his novel in 4 hours. At this rate, how many pages can Jim write in 16 hours? Okay, so ang gagawin natin, again, itong 10 pages of his novel in 4 hours. So, this is 10 over 4. 10 pages over 4 hours. So, i-divide natin ito by 4. I-divide din natin yan by 4. So, 10 divided by 4, that is 2.5 over 1. Kasi 4 divided by 4 is 1. Or that is equal to 2.5 pages per hour. Okay? Ngayon, ang question dito, how many pages can Jim write in 16 hours? Ibig sabihin, multiply natin yan in 16 hours. So, cancel natin yung hours dyan. So, ang naiwan, pages na lang. So, multiply natin yan si 16 times 2.5 or 2.5 times 16. So, the result is 40. So, i-check natin ha. So, 30, 15, 5, 8, 12, 2, 3. 0, 10, tapos yung decimal 1. So, there are 40 pages. Okay, yung ano niya, yung masulat niya in 16 hours. Ito yung final answer. Next, number 3. Okay, hindi na move. Okay, number 3. Bill can hit a bucket of 323 golf balls in 17 hours. How many golf balls can Bill hit in 23 hours? Okay, so reduce into lower term pa rin tayo. 323 golf divided by 17. Okay, hours. So, i-divide natin yan by 17. Ito rin divide natin yan by 17. So, 323 divided by 17. So, that is 19 over 1. Or 19 golf per hour. Okay, then times natin yan in 23 hours. Cancel natin yung hours. So, naiwan, 19 gold times 23. So, that is equal to 19 times 23. So, that is 437 golds. Okay? Next, number 4. A plane flew 2,220 kilometers in 3 hours. What is its speed? Okay, so 2,220 kilometer per 3 hours or over 3 hours km. So, reduce to lowest term natin yan. So, 2,220 i-divide natin yan by 3. Okay, so divide natin by 3, divide din natin 2 by 3. So, the result is 740 over 1 or 740 kilometer per hour. Okay? So, yun ang sagot. Yung speed niya. 740 kilometers per hour. Next, number 5. Last example. Mark can make 49 birthday cakes in 7 days. How many birthday cakes can Mark make in 5 days? Okay, so ganun pa rin gagawin natin. 49 cakes or birthday cakes in 7 days. So, reduce lang natin yan into lowest term or divide natin yan siya by 7. So, that is 7 over 1 or equal to 7 cakes per day. Then, multiply natin in 5 days kung ilang birthday cakes yung matapos niya or magawa niya. Times 5 days. So, cancel natin yung days. So, yun ay 1 cake na lang at saka yung 7 cake at saka 5. Multiply natin yan. That is 35 cakes. Okay, so yan lang po yung topic natin ngayon. At again, sa hindi pa nakasubscribe, paki-subscribe na lang at huwag kalimutang pindutin ang notification bell para lagi tayong updated sa mga bagong upload natin. Maraming salamat and God bless.